What's up mga friendship and welcome back to my channel. And today samahan niyo ako at magkakaroon tayo ng photoshoot sa isang client natin. And I hope na ma-enjoy niyo po ito. Tara, let's go! Hi everyone, nandito tayo ngayon sa Pasig area. Alam sa isang subdivision kung saan dito tayo ngayon mag-shoot. And nandoon yung ating client, doon banda. Nandun pa sila sa pwesto and naka-ready na ako to set up. Now, it's currently 3:30 ng hapon. So we'll start our first layout and hopefully maging smooth ang lahat, maging okay. Makakuha tayo ng captured ng mga magagandang angulo today. So join me kung paano natin to execute. This is a fashion glam na let's try natin kung we can pull it up as a high fashion shoot because ang gowns natin today are isang medyo casual and then medyo pageantry yung isa. Both are yellows. So, let's see kung ano yung mapupulap natin. So, join me. Samahan niyo ako today. Let's go! Alright, today. So, dito mag-start muna tayo ng close-up. So, madam mo po ka muna. Dito ka muna, madam.
Kala ko pinukulo.
Yan. Sige, madam. Yung ginawa mo. Yan lang, yan lang. Yan lang, perfect. Ang galing niya kumuha ng kamay. I love it. Dito, madam.
Sige,
1, 2. Stop it. 1, 2. Isa pa. Hello friendship, and today nandito naman tayo sa ating second layout. So while nagpe-prepare yung ating model ng ating second layout, for me kasi, you have to create something out of things na not conventional or something unique. Now, medyo ganun po kasi tayo mag-isip. So, right now, nakita ko tong pile of, ayan, sisilaw na ako, of this. Ayan, no, may mga parang halaman, and at the same time, parang kung tutuusin, parang hindi maganda, diba? And I will try to do something na magmumukha siya pa rin pleasing, maganda pa rin pag kumuha tayo ng shoot. So, this will serve as my background. So, later, tingnan natin kung makakapag-create tayo ng magandang shot out of this kinds of background. So, excited ako. Nagme-makeup lang yung ating model for our second outfit and second layout. So, samahan nyo ako later para panoorin natin kung goods ba ang nakuha nating area dito. Let's go! Pwede ba madam? All the soya props. body lang to. Okay, stomach and chest out. Okay, tataas ng konti yun. Yes, yung nakaslide lang. Yan niyo po. Para mahaba lang kayo. Yan, perfect. And here are the results ng ating photoshoot for this afternoon. So I hope you can check this out. If you like to know more about these kinds of content, don't forget to like and follow for more. Bye!